सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल सेट बाय टेक को। और आज देखेंगे एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड की श्रेणी में एमसीक्यू टाइप क्वेश्चंस पर आधारित हमारा सेट नंबर 36 का वीडियो। तो फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि मैंने पूर्व में सेट नंबर 35 में एमसीक्यू टाइप क्वेश्चंस दे रखा हूँ, उसी श्रेणी में आज आपको MCQ ऑन एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम फॉर नीट एंड अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए सेट नंबर 36 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स दे रहा हूं। इसके पूर्व सेट नंबर 35 के आंसर्स को आप देखेंगे और वीडियो के में दिए गए क्वेश्चंस के आंसर से इसका मिलान करेंगे। तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के नए वीडियो MCQ ऑन एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम फॉर नीट एंड अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड सेट नंबर 36। तो पूर्व की तरह हम अपने वीडियो को हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों में एक्सप्लेन करने का प्रयास करेंगे। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के वीडियो को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, कैल्शियम लेवल इन द ब्लड इज रेगुलेटेड बाय। तो इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा, the calcium level in the blood is regulated by the hormones of the parathyroid and thyroid gland. Thyroid gland secrete a hormone, that is the calcitonin, which regulates the level of calcium in the blood, and together with the parathyroid gland also helps in the regulation of the calcium in the blood. Here the option number A is correct answer for the question number 1. Now the question number 2, androgens are produced by. Question number 2, option number B is correct answer. Androgen hormone, more particularly mainly the hormone androgen is testosterone, which is produced by the testes. Now the question number 3, estrogen and progesterone are produced by. These are two hormones, are the female hormone and produced by the ovaries. Now the question number 4, which hormone stimulates Leydig cells in the testes to secrete testosterone? This is the luteinizing hormone, which stimulates the Leydig cells in the testes to secrete testosterone. इसी प्रकार क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, which one of the following is not typical of the changes that follow the binding of the hormone to its target cells? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का आंसर नंबर बी, ऑप्शन नंबर बी करेक्ट आंसर है। सेलुलर म्यूटेशंस ऑकर। 8, inhibit the binding of a hormone to its target cell. Now the question number 6, being lipid soluble steroid can do all of the following except. Question number 6, answer number 1, catalyze cyclic AMP. Now the question number 7, one of the two hormones made by the pituitary that help regulate reproductive cells is luteinizing hormone. The other hormone is, this is the follicle stimulating hormone or FSH. We know two types of gonadotropic hormones are secreted from the adenohypophysis of the pituitary gland, and both the hormones secreted by anterior pituitary regulate reproductive cells. Now the question number 8, nervousness, increased body temperature and increased blood pressure are indications of. The question number 8 will have the answer option number D, hyperthyroidism. These are the characteristics of the hyperthyroidism, that is over secretion of the thyroxine gland from the thyroid gland, thyroxine hormone from the thyroid gland. Now the question number 9, most endocrine glands are produced in action of other hormones. This type of stimulus is called. Here the question number 9 has answer number A, hormone null stimulus. Now the question number 10. Trophic hormone. Here the option number C is correct answers. Stimulate other endocrine glands to secrete hormones. Now the question number 11. Which of the following produce antagonistic results, that is the calcitonin of the thyroid and calcitonin of the parathyroid produce antagonistic results? Question number 12. Most of the endocrine gland system is regulated by the negative feedback mechanisms. Now the question number 34. Failure of the pituitary stop producing growth hormone after body growth is completed results in. This is the option number D is correct answer for the question number 13. Here the failure of the pituitary to stop producing growth hormone results in the acromegaly. Now the question number 14. The alpha cells of pancreas secrete dash which target dash. The alpha cells of pancreas, that is from the islets of Langerhans, secretes glucagon which targets the liver, where it converts the excess of glucose in blood into glycogen. Converts the glycogen into the glucose. It is antagonistic functions of the insulin. Now the question number 15. The growth hormone produced by the pituitary gland is known as somatotropin or somatotrophic hormone. Now the question number 16. The rate of metabolism of all body cells is regulated by. This is the thyroid hormone which regulates the rate of the metabolism and leads to the energy production essential for the general growth of the body. Now the question number 17. The relatively constant internal environment of the body is maintained by. Here the question number 17 has option number C, homeostasis. Now the question number 18. The secretion from which of the gland differs between male and females? This is the gonadal hormone or the gonadotrophic hormone secreted from the adenohypophysis of pituitary, which differs between males and females. Now the question number 19. The two regulatory system of the body are endocrine system and another is nervous system. Nervous system is stimulated by the external stimulus and it conveys it to endocrine system to secrete hormones in its proper guideline. Now the question number 20. Which gland produces estrogen? This is the ovaries which produces estrogen. More particularly, ovarian follicles produce estrogen, which is a female hormone. Now question number 21. Which of the following has both endocrine and exocrine functions? This is the pancreas, which performs both the endocrine and exocrine functions. It secretes pancreatic juice as its exocrine function and many hormones, that is insulin, glucagon, somatostatin, etc. as its endocrine functions from the endocrine part, that is the islets of Langerhans, as you know. Now the question number 22. The body's major metabolic hormone is released from. This is the thyroid, which releases the thyroxine. It is the major metabolic hormone. Now question number 23. If you drink a liter of water very quickly, the result would be, that is the question number 23 has the answer option number B. that is decrease the secretion of the antidiuretic hormone. Now the question number 24. How is the hormone secretion regulated? The hormone secretion is regulated by the option number A, that is the question number 24. Option number D is correct answer. All of the above. By the nervous system, by other hormones, by change in the blood composition. Now, the question number 25. Target cells for hypothalamic releasing hormone are in the. Now, the question number 25. This is the hypothalamus. Now, the question number 25 has the answer, that is option number C for the question number 25. Anterior pituitary. Target cells for hypothalamic releasing hormones are in the posterior pituitary. Here, the option number D is correct answer. Now, the question number 26. The posterior pituitary gland stores and secretes oxytocin and antidiuretic or vasopressin hormone. These are two hormones which are synthesized by the hypothalamus but stored in the posterior pituitary, that is the neurohypophysis, and secreted by this posterior pituitary part of the pituitary gland. Now the question number 27. What stimulates the release of the PTH from the parathyroid gland? Here, the option number D is correct answer for this question number 27. Now the question number 28. The release of cortisol is stimulated by the adenocorticotropic hormone or ACTH from the adenohypophysis of pituitary gland. Now the question number 29. Which among the following gland produces insulin, the chief hormones of the body for metabolizing sugar? This is the pancreas, which has islets of Langerhans as endocrine part, and it has mainly four types of cells: alpha, beta, gamma, and delta cells. The beta cells of the islets of Langerhans secrete insulin, which metabolize insulin, or it regulates the level of sugar inside the blood in our body. Now, the question number 13. Option number C is correct answer. The secretion from which of these glands differs male and female? This is the gonadal or gonadotropic hormone, GTH hormone, which are of two types, that is the follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH. Now, the question number 31. Hormone regulates the blood pressure. This is the adrenaline hormone, which is secreted from the adrenal medulla and regulates the blood pressure. And blood pressure may be defined as the pressure of the blood in our arterial system. Now, the question number 32. Name the disorder caused by the deficiency of iodine. This is the goiter, ganga, or galkand in Hindi, is caused due to the deficiency of the iodine. And to overcome from this type of deficiency, we take iodide salt, which contains KiO3, potassium iodide. Now, the question number 33. Testosterone is secreted by the Leydig cells of the testes, which are found in between the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules is the site of the production or synthesis of the sperm, the male gamete, by the process of spermatogenesis, as we know. Now the question number 34. Which cells secrete estrogen? The follicular cells of the ovary secrete estrogen, which is a female hormone. Now the question number 35. Estrogen is secreted by the membranous granules of the Graafian follicle. Here, the question number 35 has option number D correct answer as a correct answer. Here, the option number D is correct answer for the question number 35. Now, question number 36, progesterone is secreted by. Here, progesterone is secreted by the corpus luteum. The Graafian follicles, after releasing the egg, converts into the corpus luteum and it excites endocrine gland and secretes the hormone progesterone, which is the main female hormone, and it is also known as the pregnancy hormone because it maintains the pregnancy. Now, which hormone is known as pregnancy hormone? The progesterone is known as pregnancy hormone. P for progesterone and P for pregnancy. You should have to know and you should have to remember. Now, the question number 38. Which hormone is responsible for maintaining the pregnancy? This is the progesterone. P for progesterone and P for pregnancy and P for pregnancy hormone. Now, the question number 39. Which hormone stimulates the growth and development of the ovarian follicle? This is the follicle stimulating hormone secreted from the adrenal hypophysis part of the pituitary gland. Stimulates the growth and development of the ovarian follicles. Now, the question number 14. Which hormone promotes the secretion of the estrogen by the ovaries? This is the luteinizing hormone. Here, the question number 40 has the option number A, follicle stimulating hormone, promotes the secretion of estrogen by the ovaries, whereas in the testes, this hormone promotes the formation of the sperm also. Now, the question number 41. Which hormone stimulates Leydig cells in the testes to secrete the testosterone? This is the luteinizing hormone LH. Now, question number 42. Which hormone is responsible for ovulation release of ova from the mature ovarian follicles or Graafian follicles? That is the option number B, luteinizing hormone. Correct answer for this question. Question number 42 now. Question number 43. Follicle stimulating hormone is secreted by pituitary gland, more particularly from the adrenal hypophysis or anterior lobe of pituitary gland, which is a gonadotropic hormone acts on the gonad, that is the testis and ovary. Now, the question number 44. Luteinizing hormone is secreted by the pituitary gland. Now, question number 45. Progesterone hormone is secreted by the corpus luteum. This question is repeated. Now, the question number 46. Which hormone is responsible for the formation of corpus luteum in the ovary and regulation of ovarian secretion of the female sex hormone? Now, the question number 46 will have the answer B, that is the luteinizing hormone. And question number 47, the male sex hormone testosterone secreted by the Leydig cells found in the testes in between the seminiferous tubules, which we have discussed above. Now, the question number 48. Progesterone is secreted by the corpus luteum. And question number 49. Sleep-wake-up cycle is maintained by the melatonin hormone secreted from the pineal gland, which is found in the brain with the association of pituitary and hypothalamus gland. We know that three types of gland, that is the hypothalamus, that is the pineal, and that is the pituitary gland, are found in the brain region of our body. Now the question number 50, mark the correct statement regarding the somatostatin here. The question number 15 has option number B, correct answer. It inhibits the release of the growth hormone. Now the question number 51, which hormone acts on exocrine part of the pancreas? This is the secretin, which acts on the exocrine part of the pancreas, and it stimulates the pancreas to secrete their pancreatic juice, which is an essential juice, contains the enzyme for the digestion of carbohydrate, protein, fat inside the small intestine. Small intestine is the part of the digestive system where the digestion is completed. Now, in the last, I have given the answers of the above questions, and I think that it will be again helpful for your practice, and I think that the above practice paper will be again very important for a examination point of view. Now, thanks for watching. Good night.